Yo, what's going on, guys? It's the G35 channel, and we're starting today off with a vlog. I have never done a vlog before. The lighting here in this area is really bright. It's golden hour, but I figured I would start the video intro here. So here we have my 2003 Infiniti G35 Coupe. It's got 88,000 miles on it, and I'd be darned to say this is the cleanest stock G on all of YouTube. If you visit my channel, you can tell I have a few quick edits. I've never got serious about YouTube. I'm sorry I'm shaky with my phone. I'm just now starting out. The only thing I've had done to this car is the windows tinted and a rear diffuser, which I will show you later on in this video. So in today's video, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the OEM side markers and we will be replacing them with vqplugs. His Instagram will be right here in the corner. And hopefully it'll look good. They're clear, they're super bright LED. And they'll go good when I get my Spec D headlights. So let's go ahead and go over my whole car before I get to the install. So guys, just a quick walk around of my car. Like I said, it's almost completely stock. So it's a 6-speed manual, for y'all wondering. I'll show you a shot of the interior here in a little bit. It comes stock with Brembos. I did not upgrade those. Those are the OEM spec. I know some G35 people upgrade to that. I was lucky enough my car came with it. I went tint. Don't put in the comments that it's legal. I know. I don't want to get caught. I know some of you might be like, well, you know, you be in some areas sometimes and the cops be looking for that. But as you can tell, it's okay in the evening. Now, at bright noon, like that angle, it is what it is. And then I just went with this simple diffuser to complement the car. A lot of people say this is the cheap way to go. Like I said, you know, I'm a college student. I'm just starting this channel. This will be my beginning diffuser. I'm looking forward to replacing this with a carbon fiber diffuser later. And like I said, that's pretty much it. I was lucky enough to have the OEM Aero package. I know a lot of people there, again, might not like that or upgrade to that, but I personally like it on my car. Another thing I have done, which I would show you, but I have to take the car apart to do, and unfortunately did not film a video on, is the brake lights. I took a Diode Dynamics, and what it does is it takes this bulb right here. This is a bulb, right? It's really dingy and crappy. It deletes that, and it makes the LEDs the turn signal, which I really like at night. It's a GTR-esque look. This is the before. No lights, just straight car. Now let me go on the inside of the car real quick. And now we're on the inside of the car. Like I said, 6-speed manual. I didn't list this as a mod because this came with the car and I really hate it. I will be placing this to a double din in a video very soon. So subscribe if you would like to see that. I also may have some special audio treats. Cars, man, I swanny. Okay, so I also got the sun shield. It protects my dash. Like I said, this car's mint. Like I said, this car has 88,000, 89,000 now. I haven't been paying attention apparently. But anyway, let's just crank it up. No exhaust mods, no nothing special. We're in neutral. So let's go to this. That is just your fog lights and your side markers. So let's go ahead and get out of the car. Automatic and doors, closing doors. You've got to love the G35, man. Okay, so here's the side markers right now. The orange is the side markers. They're okay. You know, they're OEM. It's the car, right? So what we're gonna be doing today, like I said, is replacing them. Now, let's get to it. For any of y'all wondering why my hand is so dirty, I just got done cleaning the car. The wheels were nasty. I've been, you know, procrastinating cleaning my car. I'm sorry my hands are so nasty, but I wanted to come out here and film this video for y'all at golden hour and rushed out of the house and did not clean my hands. Please do not pay attention to that. Let's get to the install. So we're back. It's time for the install. And I think they said they dropped the package off somewhere around here. So let's try to find it. I have no idea. FedEx just doesn't bring your packages. Yo, they're right here. Let's go. We got them. Let's go install them. Let's get to it. I want to give a big shout out to vqplug.com. Find them on Instagram at vqplug. This guy right here, I'm telling you, is the move for these side markers. I want you to look at the beauty of these. Now let me show you how to install them. All right, guys, time to show you how to get these old ones off. So you basically just pry on them and they pop right off. They're really cheap and old. Okay, So I thought, yeah, good, smart, starting off YouTuber me thought you pulled the whole harness off. No, vqplug has your back, okay? You just pull out like you're replacing a bulb. So you just pull this towards you, turn it 90 degrees towards you, lift out, pull the bulb out, plug the new ones in, and let me show you what it looks like when you get the orange side marker off. So now, see, orange side marker's removed. You do what I say, you turn it towards you and pull out. You'll see the bulb. Now you pull the bulb out. I have to have 2 hands for this. I'm sorry, guys, but I think it's self-explanatory on how to pull a bulb out. Let's get it. We're on the ground for this scene. I just wanted to compare the quality real quick. That's junk, you can hear by the sound. But what I was gonna show you is this actually has a bulge in it, which I like. It gives you that 3D effect. This is very flat, it's clear, it's bright LED. But what I was saying about the bulb, guys, is if you see this right here, that is actually the same as this plug right here. So you just put it where the bulb used to be. So now I've plugged it back into the bulb hole, feed it back through, push in, boom. Oh my gosh, guys, I want you to look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm so hyped right now. That looks so clean. Look at that. Let me show you the other side. Oh my gosh. Look at the, that is junk. Whoa, guys, I know I'm getting hop over side markers, but you gotta envision this with me, guys. Once I get my money up with the Spec Ds, imagine the Spec Ds over here when it's clear on clear with the black housings, and when I do my gloss black grill, oh my gosh, guys, that's gonna look so fire. Let me go do the other side real quick and I'll get back with you. All right, guys, I just finished this side right here. It looks so good. Now the orange doesn't clash with the calipers. It's this nice, clean looking, clear material. Let's go on the inside. Let's get this VQ trumpet going. Let's start it up and let's see how it looks. So just like before, we're on the inside. Make sure you're in neutral. Crank it up. Turn it over to the third one. That's just like I said before, your fog lights and your side markers. Let's get back out of the vehicle and let's see how bright it is in the daytime. Okay, this side, you can kind of see it lighting up. Let's go to the shade side and let's see the difference, because I did it in the shade. Oh, that's fire. That is fire. I know you can't see it in the daytime. I will get a night shot. It will not be in this same location. Like I said, it's golden hour. I will get a shot tonight for sure. But look how much brighter it is than the fog lights, guys. I am really enjoying this. All right, guys, I waited till dusk. Look at that. That is so pretty. I am so happy with the upgrade. And that is all, guys. That is the first upgrade on the G that is like really super noticeable, other than tint and the diffuser. So I look forward to making more videos on this channel. Thank you for watching. All right, guys, so that concludes the first G35 channel video, and I'm very excited for this mod. And like I said, stay tuned, because we are going double din and we are going subwoofer, baby. So you stay tuned, you turn those post notifications on, and you will get more videos. Give me the views, I'll give you the mods. Peace out.